all you have practiced the magic drill well, right? Today, I want to tell you about Mr. Michael and his friend. About Mr. Michael and his friend Bhaskar. Mr. Michael and Bhaskar were good friends. One day, Mr. Michael, he wants to buy a new bicycle. What he wants to buy is a new bicycle. So, he went to the shop along with his friend. Who was his friend? Yes, Bhaskar was his friend. There are many bicycles in the shop. Out of all the bicycles, Mr. Michael was attracted by these two bicycles. Mr. Michael was attracted by these two bicycles. But after seeing those two bicycles, Mr. Michael started thinking himself. After few minutes, Bhaskar observed his friend and he came to his friend, asked him, "Why are you looking so worried? What happened? Are the bicycles not good?" Then Michael replied to his friend, "No, I like these two bicycles well, but I am unable to choose the bicycle which one I have to choose." Then Bhaskar asked his friend, "Why, in these two, which one you like most, you can take." Then Michael told to him that he wants to buy the bicycle with the low price. What he wants to do? He wants to buy the bicycle with the low price. But here I am unable to identify the bicycle which is having low price. Oh my dear, for this you no need to worry. I will help you in choosing the bicycle which is having low price. Here is the cost of bicycles. Look here. The first bicycle cost is rupees 9,800 and the other one's cost is rupees 7,200. Out of these two, you can choose the bicycle which is having the cost rupees 7,200 as it is having low price. Michael was surprised. "Oh my dear friend, how can you identify? This is the low price." Yes. Then Bhaskar replied, "It's very easy to identify the number which is less. For that, we have some tricks to identify the numbers which are more or which are less." Children, do you want to know the tricks? Yes. In today's class, we will learn about those tricks. Are you ready, children? Yes. Let's start the class. Look here. What are these? Yes. These are nothing but sketch pens. What are these? Sketch pens. Look here. I am having some in my right hand and the remaining are in my left hand. Can you tell in which hand do I have more number of sketch pens? In which hand do I have more number of sketch pens? Which hand? Very good. In my left hand. Isn't it? Yes. Now tell me, in which hand do I have more number of sketch pens? Good. In my right hand. Yes. Now tell me, in which hand do I have more number of pens? Can you guess it? No. Why? Yes. In both hands, the the number of pens are looking same. See once. How many are there? We'll count once. Let us start count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many I have in my left hand? 10 are there. Now let us count in my right hand. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, in the right hand how many are there? 10. In left hand, 10. Both the hands are having same number of sketch pens. Isn't it? Yes. Now, look here. What do you find in the image? Do you remember those? Right. Why do we use those symbols? Very good. While we are comparing the number of objects or things or the numbers, we use these symbols. Come on, tell me. What do we call the first one? Yes. It is less than. It is less than. Next. Equal to. What is that? Equal to. Then what do we call the last one? Very good. It is known as greater than. It is known as greater than. Good. Now, see here I am having two numbers. I am having two numbers. Look at the numbers. 4072. 4072. 4072. The other number is 345. 345. 345. Now come on, tell me, which number is greater number? Which number is greater number? How to identify? Yes, we can count easily the number of digits. The first number is having how many digits? Good, 4 digits. Does the second number has same number of digits? No. How many? It has only 3 digits. As we all know that 4 is greater than 3. 4 is greater than 3. Then the number which is having 4 digits will be the greater number. Will be the greater number. Now, here, which number will be greater number? Good. The first number will be the greater number. Look at another example. 74. The second number is 6045. The first number is 74. The second number is 6045. Here, the first number is having how many digits? 2 digits. The second number is having 4 digits. So, which will be the more number? Yes. The second number will be the more number. That means 6045 will be the more number or greater number. Isn't it? Yes. 74 is less than 6045. If you observe this, what can we say? Yes. Whenever we compare two numbers with different number of digits, the number which is having more digits will be the greater number. Will be the greater number. Look at here. 923. 2345. Which is having more digits? Good. The second number is having more digits. So, the second number will be the greater number. Right? Yes. This is the trick one. we can tell that the trick nothing but a rule. What is the rule? Whenever we compare two numbers with different number of digits. Here all the numbers are having different number of digits. Whenever we compare two numbers with a different number of digits, the number which is having more digits will be the greater number. Now, look at another example. 9,234. The other number is 9,234. What do you observe here? Yes, the both numbers are looking same. The first number is 9,234 and the second number is 9,234. Right? Both are equal numbers. Both are same numbers. Whenever we compare two same numbers, those are always equal. Look here children, how many fingers do I have in my right hand? Yes, how many? 5 fingers. Now tell me, how many fingers do I have in my left hand? How many? Good. I have 5 fingers. In my right hand, 5 fingers. In my left hand, 5 fingers. Both the hands are having same number of fingers. Right? Yes. When we compare two same number, we can tell that those numbers are always equal. See here. What is the symbol? Yes. Equal to. Now, look here another number. 4056. 4056. 4056. The other number. 4056. Both the numbers are same. Then what we can say is the both numbers are equal. Both numbers are equal. Both numbers are having same number of digits and same digits. Yes? Good. Now, see these numbers. 98 and the other one is 72. 98. How many digits are there? Good. There are 2 digits. In 72? Yes. 72 also is having 2 digits. Both the numbers are having same number of digits. We already know that if the numbers which are having more number of digits, that will be the greater number. But here the numbers both are having equal number of digits. Then how to compare? It's very easy to compare the numbers whenever they are having equal number of digits. See here, 98, 72. In 98, what is the higher place? Ones, tens. Which is the higher place? Yes, tens. In 72? Yes, tens place. So, you can observe the digit which is in the higher place. What is the higher place? Tens place. The first number is having 9 tens. The second number is having 7 tens. So, in 9 tens and 7 tens, which will be the more? Very good. 9 tens will be the more. So, which number will be the greater? Very good. 98 will be the greater number. Got it? Now look at another example. 345. 345. The next number is 354. First number is 345. The second number is 354. Now tell me which number will be the greater number. Both numbers are having equal number of digits. Then what we have to do? Can we tell by counting number of digits which will be the greater number? No. Then you have to see the highest place. Means from the left side the starting digit. What is the left side starting place? Yes. The highest place is nothing but hundreds. Yes. What is the digit in hundreds place? Good. 3. And the next number? That is also having 3. Can you tell by seeing the hundreds place digit? As these two numbers are having same digit, we can't tell which will be the greater number. In such cases, you need to go for next digit which is right to that place. What is the right side place of the hundreds? Good. Tens. Now consider the digit which is in tens place. What is the digit in tens place? Yes. 4 is in first number. And next second number? 5. Out of 4 and 5, which will be the more? Either 4 or 5. Yes. Obviously 5. Then which number will be the greater number? Very good. 354 will be the greater number. What we done here? Here we have the first digit, means the highest place digit is same. Then we have considered the next highest place digit, isn't it? So here we can say that whenever we are comparing the numbers which are having equal number of digits, you have to consider the digit which is in highest place. If the highest place digit is same, then you have to consider the next highest place. Got it, children? Yes. Now look at another example. 8,999. 8999. How we will read the number? Good. 8,999. Now look at another number. 8,899. 8,899. Now tell me, both the numbers are having how many number of digits? Good. 4 number of digits. Then can you tell by using the rule 1? No. So go for next rule. As these are having same number of digits, then you have to consider the digit which is in highest place. Here, what is the highest place? Good. 1000. What is the digit in thousands place? Yes. The first number is having 8. Then coming to the second number? Yes. It is also having 8. Both the numbers are having equal digit. Same digit. Right? Then what we need to do is you have to consider the next higher place. After 1000, what will be the next higher place? That means consider the place which is right to thousands. Which place? Hundreds. So in the first number, what is the hundreds place digit? 9. In second number? 8. So the first number is having 9 hundreds. The second number is having only 8 hundreds. So which is the more? 9 hundreds is more. So the first number 8,999 will be the greater number. Right? Look here. Another numbers. 5692. 5692. The other number is 5672. 5672. Now tell me, which number will be the greater number? As we already know that the both numbers are having same number of digits. Then what we have to do is we have to consider the highest place digit. Here the highest place is thousands. The first number is having 5,000 and the second number also having 5,000. As both are having equal thousands, then you have to consider the digit. Yes, in hundreds place. How many hundreds are in first number? 600. The second number also having 600. Here the next higher place digits also same. Then you should continue. That means you should see the next place, the right side place. What is the place? Tens. How many tens are in the first number? Good. There is a digit 9 in tens place. So there are 9 tens. In second number, 7 tens. In second number, 7 tens. Which tens is more? Either 9 tens or 7 tens. Good. 9 tens will be the more. So, here 5,692 will be greater than 5,672. Got it? Yes. Children, look at these images. What are these? Hope you all will play. Yes. These all are different types of balls. How the balls are arranged here? Yes. The first one is small one. The next one, then the little bit big. Here the balls are arranged according to their sizes. How? Yes. The balls are arranged from small size to big size. The balls are arranged from small size to big size. Isn't it? Yes. Now look at this image. Yes. These are also balls. But these are arranged like first one. No. These are arranged in different way. How? Yes. As the first figure, the balls are arranged in small size to big size. Now the balls are arranged big size to small size. We already have learnt in the previous class the arrangement of objects or numbers from small to big is known as, very good, it is known as ascending order. If you arrange the things or numbers from big to small, what do we call? Yes, descending order. Children, look at this. What are these? Yes, these are color pencils, right? See how all the color pencils are having same size? No, they are in different size, right? See, I am taking this. This is looking smaller than remaining all, right? Now see, I am taking this one. Now, than the first one, second one is looking more size, right? Now see, I am keeping next one. Are the three having same size? No. Now, I am taking another one. See here. Yes. Now, whichever I added, it is looking more bigger than remaining. Now, see, I am adding this green color. See. Here, how I arranged these pencils? Yes. How? Yeah. From small size to big size. Small. How they are arranged? They are arranged from small size to big size. Whenever we arrange the things from small size to big size, what do we call? Yes, ascending order. First bigger, next, next, next. So the green color one is bigger one. Next violet. Then the first one smaller. Next small. Again, yellow one is smaller than orange. And the sky blue one is smaller than before all the pencils. Right? Now, here how I arrange? I have taken big size to small size. Right? When the things are arranged from big to small, what do we call? Yes, descending order. Right? These all we have learned in earlier classes. Right? Now, here we will see the numbers, how they are arranged in ascending order or descending order. Look here. 3,500, 3,500, 7,216. Next number, 6,481. And the next number is 4,205. I repeat the numbers. 3,500, 7,216, 6,481, 4,205. Look at these numbers. These all the numbers are having how many digits? 4 digits. Now you have to arrange these numbers from small to big. Which will be the smaller number? Which rule do I need to apply? Good. I have to apply the rule number 3. What is the rule number 3? Whenever we are comparing two numbers with equal number of digits, then you have to consider the highest place. Here, which is the highest place? Thousands. So consider the thousands place digits. First number is having how many thousands? 3,000. Second number? Good. 7,000. Third number? 6,000. And next number? 4,000. So out of this, which will be the smaller value? Good. 3,000. So as it is having smaller value, we will consider that number will be the smaller number. So write 3,500. Next which will be the smaller number? Good. 4,000. So the number is 4,205. The next smaller number is 6,481. And the next number will be 7,216. Look here. The first smaller number is 3,500. Next 4,205. Next 6,481. And the last number is 7,216. How the numbers are arranged here? Small number to big number. So what do we call this? Very good. Ascending order. Ascending order. Spell the word A-S-C-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending. Order. O-R-D-E-R. Order. So here the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Right? Once look these numbers in reverse. Means small to big. Reverse means big to small. Which is the bigger number? Good. 7,216. Next bigger number? 6,481. And next one? 4,205. And the last one is nothing but 3,500. So what do we call here? Is known as descending order. Which order, children? Descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N D-I-N-G. Descending. O-R-D-R. Order. Descending order. Got it? Yes. Look at another example. 8,654. 7,216. 909, 942, 9081. How many numbers are here? 4 numbers. You have to arrange these 4 numbers in ascending order. Means good. Small number to big number. Look here. Out of these 4 numbers, which will be the smaller number? Very good. 942. Why? Yes. It is having only 3 digits, but the remaining are having 4 digits. As it is having only 3 digits, that number will be the smaller number. So write down 942. The next smaller number you have to identify. But here the remaining 3 numbers are having same number of digits. How many? Yes, 4 digits are there. Whenever we have equal number of digits, you need to consider the digit which is in higher place. Yes. Now see the first. How many thousands are there? 8,000. Say next number 7,000. And then next 9,000. In 8,000, 7,000 and 9,000, which will be the smaller number? Yes, obviously 7,000. So write down that number as the next number. That means 7,909. Now, from the remaining 2, which number will be the smaller number? Very good. 8,654. And the last number is nothing but 9,081. So this is known as arranging numbers from small to big. Nothing but ascending order. Got it, children? Children, the remaining we'll practice in the next session. Thank you.